Hi, and today we're going to be reviewing the Gourmia soft serve ice cream machine. So this machine can make soft serve ice cream, slushies, spiked drinks, milkshakes, fraps, and sorbet. This is how it comes once you take it out of the box. This is how it comes when you take it out of the box. The manual will tell you how to set it up. So first put the fill port in and then this cup in. Here's the topping dispenser where you can put toppings in and twist the knob for it to come. Now, I was really confused at first on how this machine worked. I was thinking that I didn't have the parts because the manual would tell me I need to put these parts and I couldn't find it. But it's inside of this, right? If you're looking for like the cylinder cone or the rotating blade, it's inside this. So you have to twist it. And it's kind of stiff at first and it seems like it's locked. But you just have to apply some pressure and then it'll come off. Inside here, you can see the rotator blades and the cylinder. The way this cylinder isn't coming out right now, but that's because at the top, there's a thing called the fill port is there at the top. So we have to pull it out, just like that, and this is how the fill port looks. And then this thing comes easily on out. Once you get all the pieces out, you just want to give it a nice rinse and then wait for it to dry. Once you wash all your pieces and once you get them perfectly dry, just go ahead and assemble it back and put it back into the port. Once again, this thing is a little stiff, so you have to apply pressure. Once our machine is ready, it's time to start making the ice cream batter. The instruction guides come with a recipe for vanilla soft serve ice cream and a few other things for the slushies and drinks. So feel free to look at that. I'm going to be following the manual's recipe. So as far as the recipe goes, the recipe is pretty simple. First, you're going to put 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. After that, you want to put 2 cups of whole milk. Then you're gonna put 3/4 cups of sugar. After we add the 3/4 cups of sugar, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So, now it smells pretty good. So now we're gonna mix the vanilla extract using, you can use like a spoon or a whisk or anything. I'm gonna use a whisk. And I have a little bit of extra in there. So once you're done mixing, you're gonna add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. The recipe wants you to use diamond kosher salt, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use regular sea salt. You can use any type of salt, I don't think it really matters. It still turns out to taste amazing. Now that we're done mixing, it's time to put it into the ice cream machine. So, just make sure you don't spill. You can hear the bubble noises. Make sure not to pour too fast. Don't spill. It's not fun to clean up after yourself. If there's a little bit of sugar left at the bottom, just scrape it out and put it into the fill port. And now that it's sitting, I'm just gonna scrape the sugar into the bowl because the ice cream machine will mix it for us. Keep in mind that if you are making ice cream, do not put less than what the batch is required, because that batch makes 700 milliliters of the ice cream batter, which is also 24 OZ. That is the minimum line. If you look closely, you can see this white line. It's on the minimum line. The max for soft serve ice cream is 48 OZ. But we have made the minimum using that recipe. So make sure not to do less, otherwise your ice cream machine might not function properly. So now that our ice cream is in, it's time to start the machine. So to start, you just start by clicking on that button, and then you're gonna click soft serve. And now it's starting to mix. See these lines? This is the default line. These blue lines, see how this is like the texture level, right? Right now it's on level 1, which is the default. It's recommended to keep the texture level at default for beginners until you get the hang of your ice cream machine. So, if this is blinking, that means your ice cream is not ready yet. Once this stops blinking and it stays solid, that means your ice cream is done. So, by clicking these arrows, you can put it to a higher difficulty. But I don't want to do that, so I'm going to keep it back at 1. So now we're going to wait until it becomes a solid line. Right now it's solid, but that's because I just changed the temperature. Now it started beeping. So once it becomes a solid blue line, it's time to start the ice cream machine. So you want to keep the ice cream in the machine for 30 minutes until that's when the ice cream machine is done. My Gourmia ice cream machine just started beeping, and now it shows the solid blue line, which means it is done. So now I'm gonna serve myself some ice cream and see how it looks. So this lever is really stiff, but you just have to push on it hard, like this, and then it comes up. So now I'm gonna put it back on soft serve and watch it dispense. So this is really smooth. Oh my gosh, it's not turning off. So this is how the ice cream looks. It's super smooth and creamy, and it looks amazing. It tastes really good. So you can only get this machine at Costco, and I think it's available for a limited time. So go to Costco and get your Gourmia ice cream machine right now. Thank you.